Hey guys, this is LG Soundbar US40T. This soundbar is 2.1 channel soundbar and 300 watts audio power with wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV. You can connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. Optical cable and HDMI cable are not included in the packaging. So if you want to connect this, so you need to get your own optical cable or HDMI cable. First of all, you need to unplug the soundbar from the power and also unplug your TV. So once you unplug the soundbar, then you take the optical cable, go at the back of your soundbar, you will see optical cable port. So the optical is the first on your right. So take the cable, go in, and it's in. Then take the other end of the cable to the back of your TV where it's written optical digital audio out. Push it inside. Optical digital audio out, and it's in. Plug your TV to the power. Plug the soundbar to the power. And the subwoofer is green in color. This button is for you to switch this soundbar on. The second one is input. Use this button to alternate between HDMI and optical. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. And the Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on. You will see a white light. Then use the input to select
Bluetooth.
You will hear a Bluetooth. USB.
Optical ARC.
Optical ARC. So you need to make sure it's in optical ARC. So the next thing you need to do is switch the TV on.
Only one place left up.
This is actually connected.
Now, Paula, Harry, and Daniel.
But you need to go to your TV settings. Then scroll down to the sound. The sound is showing us optical out device. So if it's not an optical out device, then you need to select on it. Then scroll to the side and look for where it's written optical out device. This is optical connection. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me on. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat.
AI Sound Pro.
Top of top.
Standard.
Treat you like you're heaven. Thought that I knew better.
Cinema.
Your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless. Moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts.
Game.
This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me on. This is a no-go.
AI Sound Pro.
The danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Summertime.
Thank you very much. This deserves your attention. So this is how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable. Hey guys, this is LG Soundbar US40T. This soundbar is 2.1 channel soundbar, 300 watts audio power output with wireless subwoofer. This soundbar is connected to this TV using optical cable. You can connect this soundbar to TV via optical cable, HDMI and Bluetooth. Optical cable and HDMI cable are not included in the packaging. So if you want to connect this with optical cable or HDMI or hardwired, you need to buy the cable. This is currently connected using optical cable. So what I want to do is to show you how to connect this to TV using HDMI cable. And to do this, this is HDMI cable. So you take cable, go at the back of the soundbar where it's written HDMI TV ARC. So you take the cable, connect it, push it inside, and it's in. Now, go at the back of your TV. To the back of your TV, connect it to HDMI 2 in eARC. And it's in. So you connect it to HDMI 2 in eARC. So this is where it goes. Push it inside. The next thing you need to do is use the soundbar remote. So you need to select to optical ARC, which means is the optical cable, or ARC, which is HDMI. Use the input. You select Bluetooth, USB, optical ARC. So you need to be in optical ARC for you to. So with optical ARC, you can work with optical cable at the same time. If you connect it with USB, both of them will work once it's in optical ARC. So the next thing you need to do is you need to go to TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and you can see the sound is showing us HDMI ARC, HDMI ARC. You increase the volume, and when it's in HDMI ARC, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote and TV remote. If you look here, you see HDMI ARC device.
AI Sound.
And this is AI Sound Pro.
Standard.
This is standard.
I'm standing outside, waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through.
AI Sound Pro.
Calling out your name,
Cinema.
the mask on the wall.
Game.
You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You
AI Sound Pro.
on fire. You got me waiting.
I prefer this to be in AI Sound Pro. Thank you very much, guys. This is how to hook this up. So you can hook it up with optical and HDMI cable, then alternate it. Use the input to select HDMI and optical. Then go to the TV setting, change it from optical to HDMI. So if you want to change it from HDMI to optical, you can go to the TV settings, scroll down and select HDMI, scroll to the side and look for where it's written optical out device. Then you select optical out device, and this is now in optical out device, so it's in optical. And when it's in optical, you control the volume using the soundbar remote control. If you want to change it to HDMI, then you select the sound, then go to HDMI, then select, this is gone back to HDMI out device. Thank you very much, guys. This is how to hook this up to your TV using HDMI. Hey guys, this is LG Soundbar US40T. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, 300 watts audio power. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. This soundbar, you can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, and HDMI. HDMI cable and optical cable are not included in the packaging. So if you want to connect it hardwired, then you need to buy the cable separate. So this is connected via optical and HDMI cable here. But what I want to do is to show you how to connect this to Bluetooth. So once the soundbar is on, use the gear button or you select Bluetooth from the top. So use the gear button to select Bluetooth. So you need to make sure it's in Bluetooth. If you want to connect this using optical cable or HDMI, so you need to select optical ARC. So it's currently in Bluetooth. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to go to the TV settings, use the gear button from the remote control and select the TV settings. Then scroll down to the sound, and the sound is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound, then scroll to the side to Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list and select enter. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. Here we go. LG US40T CE. Then use the TV remote control, select enter, and it's connecting. It's paired. Here we go. So it's connected. And when it's in the Bluetooth, you can control the volume using the TV remote and also using the soundbar remote control. So this is how to hook this up. From the remote control, you can select AI Sound Pro preset, Standard preset, Cinema, Game.
AI Sound Pro.
But I prefer to leave this with AI Sound Pro.
Still care for the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow.
Beautiful.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took us told. Thought I would grow.
Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. This speaker deserves your attention. It's beautiful. You have option to connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical, and HDMI, so you have multiple connection options. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.